Lately, I've been falling in this trap of thinking I need to have it all figured out right now. Like, I'll actually be sitting there trying to come up with a whole life plan based off of who I am right now in this moment. Like, get real, lady. And when my thoughts start to get big, I realized I needed to go somewhere where I felt small. Go somewhere that reminds me that I'm just a person floating on a rock through space. Because out there, it's harder to take every thought very seriously. And you start to realize maybe everything doesn't need to be solved today. Maybe clarity doesn't take so much effort.